Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine x squared minus sine x squared equals to cosine 2x. This is about trigonometric identity. So we need to put this one to change by this one. Now, I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have the second formula in here. 2 sine x cosine x equals to sine 2x. So this one we change by sine 2x. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to negative number 2 sine 2x dx. Next, because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. Sine 2x dx we can change by this one in here. Now, number 2 and number 2, we have 1 over 4. This one, the square root of u on denominator, we can write into u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. So number 4 simplified by number 2. We have 1 over 2 in here. And we know that u to the power of 1 over 2 we can change into u, the square root of u. About u, that is about cosine 2x. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.